Hey everyone. Today we're taking a look at a delivery of a one-bedroom, one-bath manufactured home at Lot C in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So we decided to show you the process of moving in one of these houses and how tricky it is, but how well coordinated it is. So we have Ron driving here. He's our driver. He's been our driver for a very long time now. And he's really stellar with the job. He makes these turns that I could never dream of making myself. Here's the empty lot, which would be for C6, which we'll see next week. But this is the delivery of C3. Here you can see we blocked off the road. Got Patrick that's helping them lead it in. There's quite a lot of moving parts in this. You have people being the communicators and whatnot. So here you can see them moving it back just a little bit. And then they'll shift it using the machine on the back. That'll slide it perfectly so that it's set directly above the point. Now here's a little quick tour. The houses still need a little bit of tidying and putting things together just before it's ready to be shown off. But here's a nice little walkthrough. If you're interested in this house, please go to www.myhomeincarteret and fill out the pre-qualifying questions. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our three communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our three mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.